What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing a little differently. I shot the video first. I've been sick, so it was the best way because I was coughing constantly. So I'm just doing it in voiceover now because I'm feeling better. But anyways, this is going to be from AWOK Dynamics. AWOK, thank you so much for sending these boards out to me. I really appreciate it. They're absolutely beautiful, and in the video we'll get to see them in its true glory, and even then it still doesn't do it justice. In person it's just beautiful. But anyways, we've got a couple of packages here, all packaged really nicely. One of them is going to be the boards themselves. Another one is going to be a bunch of stickers and some accessories, and then the other one is going to be the battery packs. And this one here, we're going to just take a look at what's inside this one. This one is going to be the stickers and accessories. So we'll open up this bag. And it's so weird to like do voiceovers and things like that. Right here we have the SD cards that AWOK has made. These are absolutely beautiful. I love artwork in any like type of electronics or anything like that, so when I see it, it's amazing. That's the SMA cable, and then this here is the 8103 GPS antenna, and it's very small compared to the one that I have. Mine is the 201, I believe, and you can get those from AWOK as well. And in here we have the stickers. So a lot of the artwork is done by AWOK, so it's, if not all of it, and it's just amazing. I love it. My son loves it. I told him he was getting some stickers and he was thrilled. So he loves stickers. He just puts it on everything. So I'm gonna probably speed through a lot of this stuff just because it's just not super important, but I still like to show it off just because I want you guys to have that same experience that I had opening up all this stuff, just in case you guys don't get something like this, or you guys don't have the flipper, or maybe you will get it one day, you know, and just wanna see what you get ahead of time. So in this one are the actual devices itself, and then the previous ones were the battery packs. So you have the battery packs 3D printed, and we'll see that here in a second. So this is the board for the battery pack, and then the 3D printed parts. So the parts came out amazing, you know. The dialing in on the printer is pretty good. So it almost looks like it was molded for, if you don't really look at it too closely. So this is the GPIO board for the battery pack. It slides down into the bottom of the 3D printed part, and you screw it in, and then you can dock the Touch V2 or the Touch V2 and the Mini V2, so that you don't have to actually have it connected to the flipper directly. Here you can see me with my OCD, ADHD issues, where I have to have things a certain way but unorganized. That's my OCD. These bags are amazing. I can definitely reuse them. So we got some 2.4 gigahertz antennas, and then here it is, the absolute beauty of a board. The purple PCB, the gold SMA connections, the gold GPIO pins, and just the gold accents for the dual ESP. It's just, it all ties everything together. It's just so nice. And the clear shell just absolutely came out beautiful. I mean, look at that. AWOK's silk screen on the back there, all the gold accent touches. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. I really do love it. Alrighty, so these boards are absolutely beautiful. So here I'm just going to be laying out some stickers and getting ready for my thumbnail. But anyways, let's go ahead and cut to the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it. These AWOK boards are absolutely fantastic. I recommend you get them if you haven't. They come out in batches, so you're just going to have to sign up and get the alerts, so when he does release them, you'll be able to grab them. I'm not too sure as far as the clear clamshells go, if those are going to be a standard or if they're going to be optional and you just choose which one you want. But anyways, I definitely recommend getting one of these if you don't have one. AWOK, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending these to me. You did an awesome job with these shells. They came out beautiful. And thank you for sending me all these different type of stickers. My son absolutely loves them. So if you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of the video and what you guys want to see next. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.